Does anyone know what Amdahl's law is? Okay, I'll better explain it. So Amdahl's law is something you use to calculate the speed up of adding more parallel cores or threads or workers to a system. So if your process runs on 4 cores and 25% of the time is spent on some kind of mutex situation. I don't know if JavaScript guys know what mutexes are, but so I didn't mean that as an insult. I'm just thinking aloud. Maybe I need to explain it. If you're spending 25% of the time on, like, if all the cores have to stop for 25% of the time to wait for another core to finish something, then the maximum speed up you get, the maximum amount of cores you can have is 4 cores. Adding more cores to that doesn't increase the speed up. And you can calculate this as a formula. Just look it up, Amdahl's law. It's a relatively simple formula. And it's rock solid. This is the way it works. So you can translate that into team structures, which basically means the more you need consensus, the less work you can do. Or the smaller your team has to be. If you spend an hour a day in meetings, the maximum team size is 8. If you add more team members to a team that's already spending an hour a day in meetings, you don't get any speed up. But actually, reality is usually worse than that. Any form of consensus or blocking process decreases your maximum team size. In most organizations that I've worked in or that I've looked at, the real maximum team size is like 4 to 6. If you go over that, it doesn't actually increase productivity. I think Jeff Bezos kind of stumbled on that with Amazon's 2 pizza team size. Does everyone know what that is? The ideal team size at Amazon, if they're working on some microservice or whatever, is whoever you can feed with 2 pizzas. That's kind of loosely defined, right? You could have 2 fat guys who eat a pizza each, but it turns out to be like 4 to 6 people. But I think they came at, they noticed this. I think what happened was they didn't really look at it the way we're looking at it here. They looked at it like, oh wait, when we have more than 6 people on a team, the average productivity goes down. The costs go up for the same result. So let's just limit it to the team size that is most effective. But the actual problem is not team size, it's the need for upfront consensus before doing work.